There comes a moment in every person's life where you look around and ask yourself, is this all I'm meant for? Am I really living or just surviving? If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a loop, wake up, work, sleep, repeat. You're not alone. But I need you to understand something right now. You were not born to be average. You were not built to blend in. You are here to build, to rise, to lead, to create, to leave a mark. This is not just another motivational video. This is your call to action. This is your reminder that you are built for more. Someday is the most dangerous word in your vocabulary. You say, I'll start my business someday. I'll get healthy someday. I'll chase my dream when things settle down. But here's the truth. Someday is a myth. The clock is ticking and later is a trap. The graveyard is full of people who ran out of tomorrows. Let me ask you, if not now, when? If you're waiting for the fear to go away, it won't. If you're waiting to feel ready, you never will. You don't need perfect conditions, you need courage. Because action isn't the result of confidence. Confidence is the result of action. Maybe you failed. Maybe people counted you out. Maybe life hit you so hard you forgot how to get back up. But hear this, your past does not define your future. Failure is not final unless you quit. And you're not a quitter. Do you know how many people hit rock bottom before they rose? Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Stephen King's first novel was rejected 30 times. He threw it in the trash. His wife pulled it out. They didn't succeed because they had luck. They succeeded because they had grit. And so do you. Success isn't a lightning strike. It's not a lottery ticket. It's a wall built one brick at a time. Each day you show up. Each time you say no to distraction. Each early morning when no one else is watching, that's a brick. You don't have to leap to the top. You just have to keep stacking. You don't need to transform overnight. You need to improve 1% at a time. Because the truth is, tiny steps taken consistently create massive change. Ask yourself, what's one small brick I can lay today? That's how greatness is built. I know it's hard. I know there are days when it feels like the weight is too heavy. But here's something most people won't tell you. Pain is not your enemy. Struggle is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of growth. Diamonds are made under pressure. Steel is forged in fire. And the strongest trees grow in the harshest winds. That hard thing you're going through, it's building you. Every setback is setting you up for a comeback. Every scar is proof that you're still fighting. So don't curse the pain. Use it. Let it sharpen you. Let it strengthen you. Let it wake you up. Here's the secret weapon most people overlook. Energy. Energy is not something you wait for. It's something you generate. Think about it. When do you feel most alive? When you're moving, when you're creating, when you're chasing something that matters. So move your body, feed your mind, protect your focus like it's gold, because it is. Cut out the things that drain you. Surround yourself with people who lift you up. Talk to yourself like someone you love. You are not a machine. You are a power source. And when you protect your energy, everything else changes. Right now, this very second, you have a choice. You can keep waiting, keep doubting, keep playing small. Or you can rise. You can say, I don't have it all figured out, but I'm moving forward anyway. I'm not waiting for someone to save me. I'm becoming the person I needed. This is your moment. The old you is done. The excuses, gone. The fear, not in charge anymore. You've got what it takes. You're already enough. Now you just have to act like it. So stand up, breathe deep, smile like you mean it. Because the world doesn't need another follower. It needs you. Fully awake, fully alive, fully on fire. You are built for more. And this is your time. If this message lit a fire in you, don't let it go out. Comment below. I'm built for more. Tag a friend who needs to hear this. Share it. Live it. Be it. Because the moment you decide you're done settling is the moment everything starts to change. Let's go.